Welcome to Faith Moments. Hello and join us at Faith Moments. I'm Eduardo Santana and I'm thrilled to have you here. I created this channel to be a space where we can take a moment to pause, reflect and connect with our faith in our busy lives. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, constantly moving from one task to the next without a moment to breathe. We often lose sight of the spiritual aspects of our lives, neglecting the inner peace and connection that faith can bring. That's why I started Faith Moments, a channel dedicated to providing you with a sanctuary from the noise. Here, our goal is to offer brief but meaningful moments of reflection and inspiration, designed to fit into your busy schedule. We aim to help you nurture your faith, find peace amid the chaos, and reconnect with what truly matters in life. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content designed to uplift and inspire you. Our goal is to create a space where you can find peace, joy, and spiritual growth. We'll have daily devotionals that offer spiritual insights and encouragement, helping you start your day with a positive mindset and a heart full of hope. Reflections on Bible verses that delve into their meanings and applications, providing you with a deeper understanding of the scriptures and how they can be applied to your daily life. And guided prayers to help you connect with God on a deeper level, offering you a moment of tranquility and spiritual connection in your busy day. We'll also explore different themes and topics through series that dive into various aspects of our spiritual journey, from understanding faith to living out your beliefs in everyday situations. Join us as we embark on this journey together, growing and learning in faith. The inspiration for Faith Moments came from my own personal journey, a journey filled with ups and downs, moments of clarity and times of confusion. There was a time when I felt overwhelmed and disconnected from everything around me, as if I was lost in a sea of uncertainty. It was during those moments of solitude and introspection that I realized how crucial it is to have time set aside for spiritual growth and reflection, to reconnect with oneself and find inner peace. I wanted to create a space where others could find the same comfort and strength, a sanctuary where they could pause, reflect and rejuvenate their spirits amidst the chaos of everyday life. If you're excited about this journey and want to join us, please consider subscribing to Faith Moments. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from these moments of faith. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this community. I can't wait to embark on this journey with you. Until the next video, may God bless you and bring you peace and inspiration in your day-to-day life.